Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another weekly vlog. It's actually Tuesday today already. Yesterday we went out grocery shopping, we had some admin stuff in town to do, so I didn't film anything. It sounds like I've got another cold, but I don't, and my lips are really weird at the moment because they were really dry after having my last cold, and I put so much lip balm on and I think I had an allergic reaction, and now they just are like sore and weird. And yeah, so I'm not going to put any makeup on to cover it up because I don't want to irritate it. I just want it to kind of heal. I've been putting coconut oil on and yep, they're sore, but we'll get over it. And I'm in my bedroom getting ready. We're going to be running out the door soon. It is day to go and change over our car. We've got a hire car, but we can only really hire for 4 weeks at a time. We're nowhere near ready to buy a car, so we're going to change it over and get another car for 4 weeks, and then hopefully we're going to do something fun and exciting after that, but we'll just see, because it is going to be a snowy next few days. So we're going to switch the car over. We're going to see how the weather is out there, whether we want to just come back home or whether we're going to go out for a bit. We will see. Yeah, let's go to Dublin airport and change our car over. Swapped our car over, got a new one for a few weeks, and guess where we're going? We made it into IKEA. The boys keep saying it looks just like Australia. Yep, I'm trying to explain to them IKEA's the same no matter where you go in the world. Love the colours on this kitchen. All the blues. What do you think, little one? Oh, you fit right at home in this. It's your favourite colour, but a kitchen. You're cozy and comfortable there, sitting back in your little IKEA lounge watching IKEA TV. Oh, how cool are those? I want that for me. Beauty and the Beast. Yeah, you get a flower and then you get a little dome and you can have your own little precious rose. This room is so much fun. You just want to play in here. A bit overkill, but I do love all the photos on the wall. This is the little boy's dream lolly cabinets. Oh, cute. Look, Rosie's sweet shop. That's the max. What happens? Oh, you've gone down. They're so cute. I love this, looking through all the kitchens. Oh, those pretty. And another kitchen. You're just making yourself at home. The fridge is empty. And another one. Not a huge fan of the tiles. The boys are having fun with roast veggies. Need more storage, but not quite sure. Those are so cute. And you're in the dining area. Ooh. So you find all the little cute furniture. We quite like this fancy table, don't we? I think these are little hooks. They're very cute. This is what they want.
Mom, look inside.
Yeah, open it up and see. We're in the kitchenware department now. Looking at all the tongs and ladles, and there's more little veggies for the boys to roast. Oh, could spend ages in here. What you got? Little gloves. It's a little oven glove. That's a lot of oven gloves. All the baking bits. I think I am going to get one of these. There's two tins, a big wider one and a regular sized one. So I can make some cake. I think I'm going to get one of these too. All the colours of all the plates and bowls, mugs. I think these are new for summer. They're very pretty, aren't they? And we're in the lighting. Love the choice. That's a successful shop. A few more boxes to get and we're getting there. The kids like the view all the way through there. That's pretty cool. And we're going to check out the little bargain corner. Should we see if we can find any bargain bits? You had enough and you're sitting on these.
Looks like all.
It does look a bit like our sofa, you're right. Found little bedside tables in the as-is section, reduced to 17. Where is that? Oh, $17.50 for the boys. They're each gonna have a bedside table. We've got a desk chair, what are they called? A swivel chair. That too. We're back home now safely. It was pretty scary driving conditions there for a little bit. Haven't come across weather like that. It was snowing, sleeting, hailing, raining, everything, and thankfully Mark, my husband, was very calm and got through it, and we got home in one piece, and we've got tons of boxes now and things to slowly unpack from IKEA, and they're predicting weather similar to what you saw on the way home for the rest of this week. So I'm not sure if we're going to venture anywhere. Definitely don't want to with roads like that, and it's only going to get worse. So we're going to be home most of the rest of the week. I will catch up with you if we do anything exciting, if we actually go out. Might show you some snow if we see some snow anywhere safely, but otherwise I will speak to you sometime through the rest of this week. It's now Friday morning, and our little fairy garden is buried under snow. Oh my goodness, look at this. We woke up in the middle of the night, and it was snowing, and it snowed more and more and more. It's kind of like a blizzard, and everything is completely under snow. So yeah, it's Friday morning now. We have been home pretty much since Tuesday. I popped out to the shops on Wednesday. The boys have been home since Tuesday. It's Friday morning. We have been completely snowed in. I have double checked. We can open our front door, but not our back door. It is snowy, a wintry wonderland. So we're going to be home today. I just popped some makeup on. I'm going to film some videos and some things which will probably be coming soon, or maybe out already, not sure. But I thought I would film a little bit. We'll use this time while we're home to film, edit, get some good content happening for you. But as far as the weekly vlog goes, no, I don't know what's going to happen. Today's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll check in with you over the weekend if we do anything. Otherwise, I'll see you on Sunday to end the video and let you know how we've gone through this snowy island time. It's now Friday afternoon. A little snow update for you. Look at this. Yeah, I've kind of never seen snow like this in my life. It's still going. I think we're going to be home for a few days. It's Saturday now, and it's safe enough to be outside. We went for a walk this morning. I actually filmed a separate video and uploaded that, and we just went grocery shopping, and now we're home and they're building a snowman and having a fun time doing it. It's our first snowman they've built. It's our first snow experience. So that is what they're doing, and I'll show you all the bargains that I found at the supermarket. Seriously, take a look at all of this. Today is the 3rd of March, tomorrow is the 4th, so we've got a lot of mushrooms to use. I might make some mushroom soup, or mushroom sauce. I've got broccoli, cauliflower, also 5 cents. The broccoli was 49 cents. I got some coleslaw for 54 cents and a big cabbage for 5 cents. So I might this afternoon see to all of this veg, cook it, just see to it, do whatever, so that we can enjoy all these yummy vegetables at a ridiculous bargain. It's now Sunday afternoon, and this is our sad state of our back garden. The snow has all melted. It was covered in snow. Our little fairy house and mushroom was completely covered. I reckon there was at least 30-40 centimeters of snow in our garden. And this is what's left. It's slowly melting and evaporating away, but we are still kind of stuck inside. Hang on, let me turn this around. We're still stuck inside because, as you can see, it's snowy and slushy and icy out there. Yesterday we did go for a walk to local shops, but it was a bit treacherous, and today I just don't want us all to slip, so I'm going to wait for everything to melt another day or so and then go out to the shops. And thanks to all the cold and the iciness, I seem to have got a bit of a husky voice happening. I don't really feel coldy, but yeah, it just so happens, I suppose, with having all the heaters on all the time, and I just want some fresh air and going outside, but that's gonna have to wait a few days. So that's the end of this weekly vlog. We went to IKEA and then we were home the rest of the week. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment, let me know what you think. And we'll see you again next week for another weekly vlog. Bye!